sir. I am the RX 580 dedicated graphics card.
So is the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR really worth it in 2025? Or just another pre-built with flashy lights? Stick around, because this is the only review you need before pulling the trigger. Out of the box, this thing looks clean. Full glass side panels, RGB lighting shining from the front and across the fans. It definitely nails the gaming rig vibe. Inside, the cable management is surprisingly tidy, nothing sloppy hanging around. Under the hood, it's rocking an Intel Core i5 13400F paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 8GB of VRAM. That combo means you're gaming smooth. 1440p esports titles run flawlessly, and even heavier AAA games push solid frame rates. You also get 16GB of DDR5 RAM, fast, reliable, and ready for multitasking. The storage, a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. Super quick boot times, game loads in seconds, and plenty of space for your library. On the outside, you've got plenty of USB ports, HDMI DisplayPort, and Wi-Fi ready, so setup is plug and play. The cooling is handled by RGB fans and a stock CPU cooler, which keeps temps stable without screaming like a jet engine. Overall, the Gamer Extreme VR packs a ton of value into a sleek package. If you're after a pre-built that doesn't just look good on your desk, but actually delivers gaming performance you can rely on, this one hits the sweet spot.
Alright, let's check out the MSI Codex Z2 Gaming Desktop. Out of the box, first impression, it looks sharp. You've got that mesh front panel for airflow, a tempered glass side to show off the RGB, and the build feels solid, but not overly bulky. Inside, it's packing some serious hardware, an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics card, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, and a big NVMe SSD. Specs like these are built to handle 108OP and 144OP gaming with ease. Setup is simple, plug it in, power on, and the RGB lighting pops right away. Cooling fans spin up, and while they're not whisper silent, they're not distracting either. The ports are conveniently placed, with USB-C, multiple USB, and Wi-Fi 7 built in, so you're covered for both wired and wireless gaming. Performance-wise, out of the box it runs smooth. Popular titles load fast, gameplay feels responsive, and multitasking is no problem thanks to the RAM and storage combo. It's also built with upgradability in mind. Thumbscrew panels make it easy to swap in parts down the line. Overall, the Codex Z2 feels like a perfect entry-level to mid-range gaming rig. Clean design, strong performance, future-proof connectivity, and easy upgrades. If you're looking for a pre-built that's ready to game straight from unboxing, this one checks a lot of boxes.